Welcome to my channel.
Netgear Nighthawk Extender Setup Fast and Easy Tutorial.
1. Plug it in. Take the extender, plug it into a wall outlet near your router, and wait for the power light to turn solid. 2. Connect to extender Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and pick the extender's default network. 3. Open Setup page, launch your browser and type mywifixt.net in the address bar. 4. Create account. If it's your first time, make a login account for the extender. 5. Start setup. Click on the option to set up a new extender. 6. Choose your router. The extender scans for Wi-Fi. Select your home router's network. 7. Enter password. Type in your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. 8. Set Wi-Fi name. You can either keep the same Wi-Fi name or make a new one for the extender. 9. Apply settings. Click continue and give the extender a minute or two to save changes.
10. Reconnect. Once it restarts, reconnect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network. 11. Find best spot. Unplug the extender and place it midway between your router and the weak zone. 12. Check signal. Look at the signal light. Green means good. Adjust if needed until it's stable, and that's it. Your Nighthawk extender is now ready and boosting Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.